gently falling on my hand, softly frozen as it lands. The face will let us meet again, as pain brings all the joys to end. I hear in my heart as the sounds of snow are falling like a picture in a frame. I can hardly pretend this world is for the moment, and I would wish it never ends. I hear in my heart calling out to my name, and I know I will never hold you close. As I'm standing here, waiting on forever, I listen to the sounds of snow. Broken are the empty words spoken, but the words rehearsed. Sorrow could never turn the lies, and our lives will never come to light. I hear in my heart as the sounds of snow are falling like a picture in a frame. I can hardly pretend this world is but a moment, and I would wish it never ends. I hear in my heart calling out to my name, for I'll know I never hold you close. And I'm standing here, waiting on forever. I listen to the sounds of snow. Here in my heart as the sounds of snow are falling like a picture in a frame. And I hardly pretend this world is but a moment, but I would wish it never ends. Oh, here in my heart calling out to my name, I know I'll never hold you close. As I'm standing here, waiting on forever, I'll listen to the sounds of snow. I'll listen to the sounds of snow. Listen to the sounds of snow.